got a fast car. I want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we could get somewhere. Any place is better. Start from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. Been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. We won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs. Finally see what it means to be living. See, my old man's got a problem. He lives from the bottle, that's the way it is. His body's too old for working. His body's too young to look like his. My mama went off and left him. She wanted more from life than he could give. Somebody's gotta take care of him. So I quit school, that's what I did. Got a fast car. Is it fast enough so we could fly away? We gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live and die this way. So remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us. If you found nice up around my shoulder, and I had a feeling that I belonged. And I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. You got a fast car. We go cruising, entertain ourselves. You still ain't got a job. I work in the market as a checkout girl. I know things will get better. You find work and I'll get promoted. We'll move out of the shelter, buy a big house and live in the suburbs. Car, speed so fast I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us. If young found nurse up around my shoulder, and I had a feeling that I belonged. And I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. You got a fast car. I got a job that pays all our bills. You stay out drinking late at the bar. See more of your friends than you do your kids. But always hoped for better. That maybe together you and me would find it. I ain't got no plans, I ain't going nowhere. So take your fast car and keep on driving. Driving in your car. Speed so fast I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us. If your arm found nice up around my shoulder, and I had a feeling that I belonged. And I had a feeling I could be someone. You were driving in your car. Speed so fast I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us. If you found nice up around my shoulder, and